Okay, good morning. It is Memorial Day. And yes, another mostly sleepless night. But anyway, I'm going to show you another sunrise. Isn't this beautiful? This is after it rained last night. Sunrise. Well, pan around. This is Monday, Memorial Day. By the way, thank you to everyone who served. And this is a day that we observe ones that we lost. Look at the sunrise, though. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that. Couldn't ask for a more beautiful, beautiful morning. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. Adele, look. Dally Blue, come here. Come. It's one of the kitties of ours. And this is what I look like in the morning. Well, this morning, yuck, I know. Trampoline is all reflecting water from the rain that hit yesterday night. Hear the birds. Look at that beautiful, beautiful sunrise. Most beautiful. And thank you, Lord, for what you give to us daily. The artwork of nature. Look at this. Nature's art. Nature's art right here. Can't ask for a more beautiful, beautiful sunrise. Look where we get to live. So blessed. Sit, Adele. Adele. Sit. Adele. Oh, you don't want to sit. It's wet, huh? You don't have to sit. You're okay. You don't have to. And this is Ginger getting her breakfast. Look at that chair. Isn't that beautiful? This is our Mennonite clothesline. Isn't that cool? Anybody doesn't know what that is? It's that's the break. And what you do is you put the clothes on there, hangers, in each little, every so often. And then you put the clothes on there, and then you go, and it goes way out there. It's anchored to the tree out there, way out in the yard here. Anyway, so I should quit procrastinating and get my butt in gear. I know what I need to do. I need to get this bookcase started because I got 2 of them to do. Actually, I have this. It's a bookcase with drawers that I'm going to attempt to put together here. This is what I'm attempting. This is what it's going to look like here. Finished product. See? Hang on. Finished product will look like so. And it is espresso color, so it's dark brown. And I'm thinking I should be able to handle doing this. Let's see though. And someone has not had too much rest, no telling what it's going to look like. Oh, these are the hangers from the Mennonite clothesline that you put on there. Adele, sit. 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 Good girl. Give 5. Give 5. Right now. Give 5. Come on. Give 5. Good girl. Let's go. Go outside. Come on. Since I don't want to really do that, I'm tired. But she did. Anyway, good morning. Again. And have a safe and happy holiday. And I'm sure I'll post more videos later. In fact, I will for sure, because I will post that finished project and see what it actually will look like when I'm done making it.